Here are the results of my latest art project. Stay tuned if you want to see how I created this custom colored hair blend. Hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Veronique. And on this channel, we treat our hair like it's an art project. So starting from left to right, we have this olive green shade. I decided to add this emerald green color. And we have this grass green color. Some turquoise. This beautiful ocean blue color. Royal blue. And finally this violet shade. In total, we used 7 different colors for this look. And green will ultimately be the most dominant color, just in time for the holiday season. So let's go ahead and make this a good hair day. So first I'm going to take the olive green, the emerald green, and the grass green. I'm going to blend them all together. Blending 3 different shades of green will give me the highlight, low light look I'm going for within the braids. I'm going to go ahead and brush it all out with my denim brush, just to make sure there is a smooth finish and a seamless color going on. And this is the result of that color combination. Next, I'm going to take the emerald green, the grass green, and the turquoise shade and blend those together. This color will go directly under the previous shade we created since it's 1 tier lighter in color. And this is the result of those 3 colors in combination. I think it's super pretty. Now I'm going to take the emerald green, the turquoise, and the royal blue shade and blend those together. We're finally transitioning into the blues, so the color is gradually becoming more exciting. This is the result of mixing the greens and the blues together, and I'm really feeling it a lot. I think it came out a lot nicer than I thought it would because royal blue is such a hard color to work with, I think. This last color I blended off camera, but it consists of ocean blue, royal blue, turquoise, violet, and this random magenta shade that I found laying around my house. There you can see all the colors I used. I'm just going to add more turquoise to the blend because I found the shade to be a little bit too dark. And I wanted the color to be lighter so that it flowed better with the darker greens that I'd be placing more to the crown of my head. This color is so pretty. It's giving Monsters Inc. kitty. Anyways, just let me know what you think in the comments below. I just had to take a quick snapshot of this color because wow. Here are the 7 blends I created using the 7 shades I mentioned at the beginning of this video. I think the blends came out way better than I expected. The more colorful shades I'm going to be placing at the base of my head for that really beautiful peekaboo effect that I love. And the darker greens I'm going to place closer to the crown of my head. Of course, me being the girly girl that I am, I had to find some metallic green strands that I plan on slipping into some of the braids. Okay, let's go get this hair braided, shall we? So this is the final result, and I absolutely love it. So as you can see, the darker greens I place more at the top. It turns into this really beautiful turquoise color that turns into a blue, which then transitions into this deep violet color that I blended into all the blues and the greens. I really like this look. I find that it's perfect for the winter Christmas season, I guess you could say. I was really skeptical about this look because honestly, I broke my own rule. I pretty much told y'all to never ever blend unnatural colors without adding natural colors into the mix. And this time I decided to jump outside my comfort zone and do exactly that. Please let me know what y'all think. I really do feel like it's giving, I don't know. I just feel like I look like a superhero. For this look, I decided to work with all cold colors, and I felt that all the cold colors would really melt into each other, which they did, and I'm really happy about that. You can see those subtle metallics popping out, but I felt like it would give it a really intense Christmas vibe that I was going for. So this is the final result. Please let me know what you think because I absolutely love it. I never in a million years saw myself doing green hair, but here I am doing green hair, and I just feel like I love it. I really do. It's very unique. It's very different. It's just giving sexiness. If you could, you know, give this look a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it because I really do feel like I murdered this look. I definitely killed this look. Like, dude. Are you seeing this? This is absolutely stunning. So you can really see how the colors build on each other. I think it's super pretty. I think this is definitely something I would do again, given how gorgeous it looks. Like, look at that beautiful metallic sheen, oops, that some of these braids have. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna show you my hair layer by layer, and then you can tell me what you think, okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.